Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to make eye-catching transparent text effects in Canva. Click Create, then select Videos. For this tutorial, choose the landscape video format. This orientation works best for widescreen viewing. Next, proceed to customize your video content. Locate the video select element, add the chosen video, then insert the desired text below it to complete the setup efficiently and clearly. Add a heading, then type your text. Next, change the font size to 210. After that, scroll down to continue editing or customize additional settings as needed for your design. Select the black box. Place the text near the edge of the box. Adjust the position to align the text precisely along the boundary for a clean, professional look. Drag the corner to resize. Then, hold Ctrl and scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in or out, adjusting the view to your preferred size and detail level. Use the keyboard to zoom out for a broader view. Then continue dragging to adjust the perspective as needed. Adjust the text to fit the video. Next, add your animation by clicking Animate, then select Create Animation. Hold Shift on your keyboard while applying the changes to maintain proportions. This ensures your animation integrates smoothly and looks professional. Follow these steps carefully to enhance your video with custom animated elements. Press the keyboard shortcut, then drag and slowly move the text toward the left side of the screen. The object wasn't selected yet. First, click the area to select it. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the selection. Then, click the Animate button to apply animation effects to the duplicated object. This sequence ensures the animation is applied correctly and efficiently. First, create a new animation. Next, hold Shift and click the text in this area. While holding Shift, drag the text to the desired position. Then, release and drag the text here to adjust its placement further. Continue dragging until the text is properly aligned within your workspace. This method allows precise control when moving text elements during animation creation in your project. Extend the animation duration to slow it down. Next, preview the animation to check the effect. This helps ensure the timing looks smooth and meets your expectations before finalizing. We've completed 8 minutes of the video. Now, let's trim it down by about 8 seconds. The text scrolling will take approximately 8 seconds to finish. To do this, select the timeline, find the point where the 8-second section ends, and use the trim tool to cut the video there. This shortens the video while keeping the important content. Play back the trimmed section to confirm the text scrolls smoothly and the timing matches the desired 8 seconds. Adjust if necessary for a seamless edit. To create smooth movement, adjust the motion settings accordingly. You can also decrease the speed to make the animation flow more gently. Experiment with these controls until you achieve the desired smoothness and timing for your project. Click play to watch the video preview now. To speed up further, try extending the clip length slightly. Adjust the duration carefully to maintain quality while increasing playback speed. This method balances speed with clarity effectively. Edit the video to reduce its length to 12 seconds by trimming unnecessary parts. Use your video editing software's trim tool to shorten the clips precisely. Preview the final cut to ensure smooth transitions and maintain essential content within the 12-second limit. Adjust the animation speed by increasing its duration to make it slower. After adjusting, watch the preview to see the effect. If it's still too fast or slow, tweak the duration again until the desired speed is achieved. This method helps you control the pacing of your animation smoothly and precisely. Click Animate, then delete the existing path. To create a new path, hold Shift and click where you want the animation to start. Repeat this process to add multiple points along the desired route. This lets you customize the animation flow smoothly and precisely, enhancing your project's visual impact with controlled movement sequences. Adjust the playback speed by dragging the slider to slow down the movement smoothly. Reduce the speed of your clip by adjusting the speed settings. Next, apply the smooth effect to enhance fluidity. This combination softens motion, creating a polished look in your video. Ensure both steps are completed for the best results. Proceed to the next editing phase. Click the play button to watch the preview. Use the slow motion feature to analyze the details carefully. This helps identify any errors or necessary adjustments. Pause or rewind as needed to review specific sections for a thorough understanding before finalizing your project. After finishing your video, click Share, then select Download. Before downloading, you can increase the quality by choosing a higher setting. This ensures your saved video is the best possible version. Now you know how to create a transparent text intro in Canva-like, and subscribe for more easy design tips.